Brian and Linda Dermott, we love having them here. Have a great run.
Just been given some information. This is your last Targa.
Last ever. We've done 15 TARGA Tasmanias, but we've done 45 tarmac rallies. Yeah. So, and also I'm 81, so it's time we stopped.
You're 81?
Yes.
You had a very easy paper round when you were a boy. I can't believe you're 81, sir.
If only you knew.
So this car as well, is the car retiring gracefully?
Yeah, we've had it 26 years and it's a member of the family, so yeah, it's going to be retired. We'll clean it up and put road gear on it and it'll be, well...
And you won't sell it to anyone?
No, so it's not for sale, no.
So congratulations on everything you've achieved and enjoy your retirement.
Thank you.
Well deserved.
Thank you.